You'll need to start by finishing quick, easy tasks that won't take you more than 5 minutes. I'll be showing you this unique website where you can get free Ethereum as the second step. You will then be rewarded in Ethereum for step 3, which is the most crucial step. Anywhere in the world can use the money-making strategy I'm demonstrating in this video. In every country, wherever you reside, you can use this to get free Ethereum. The fact that this method is totally free is also incredible. So in this video, I'll demonstrate how you can receive $500 worth of free Ethereum. With this brand new method, you won't need to make any upfront investment. Therefore, be sure to pay close attention to every section of this video to the very end so you don't forget anything and may get all of your free Ethereum. Alright, let's get started. So first, you're going to go visit Google and write Google Translate into this box and then click enter. This is a website that you will need to use to finish the process of acquiring your free Ethereum, but it's not the website where you will receive your free Ethereum. Basically, Google Translate works by allowing you to translate between any two languages of your choice. As a result, we will be translating a language in exchange for Ethereum. With this money-making strategy, you could potentially make $100, $200, or even up to $1,000 worth of Ethereum. Therefore, be sure to pay close attention so you don't skip any crucial steps in this video. Here, you can see a list of every language that you can translate into. For instance, if you want to translate from English to Spanish, all you have to do is choose English on the left side and then Spanish on the right. Then, all you have to do is type the English words you want to translate to Spanish. Let's use the example of translating the phrase, how to generate money online. The Spanish translation is then displayed on the right side. So you can clearly see that this is a very straightforward yet effective method to get anything translated for you. Comment your language down below before I move on to the next step so I can better understand the target audience for my videos. Also, don't forget to click the like button on this video. So I'll now show you the website where you may get free Ethereum valued at around $200. The name of the website is called Latium.org. You can see that by performing very simple and straightforward tasks, you'll be able to earn this cryptocurrency. You can see that Latium is a marketplace for independent contractors or freelancers and new gig economy employers. Digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum can be used for employment and hiring. Therefore, all you have to do is create an account on Latium. Simply click this sign up button to get started building your account. You can sign up with either Google, Facebook, or Apple ID, or you can just enter any email address of yours. After you've completed your account, you can start looking for your first job or start getting live bids from qualified freelancers every minute. You can receive payments on a variety of various payment methods, including Ethereum, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies directly to your cryptocurrency wallet. The available projects on Latium are the basis for this website's operation. To begin working right away, you can either submit a bid or just choose an instant hire project. After that, all you have to do is complete your task according to the employer's specifications and instructions before submitting it to the Latium contract management system. After your work has been evaluated and authorized, you will finally receive an instant payment to your account's wallet. Following your Latium registration and account login, I want you to click Explore Services. After that, you'll be redirected to this page where you can perform a variety of easy tasks. You'll notice a variety of tasks that you can accomplish in order to earn free Ethereum. But in this video, we'll focus on the translation option. So click here where it says Translation and then navigate to the translation and transcription area. You will be led to this website after clicking Translation, where you can accomplish a number of different translation projects in less than 5 minutes. You can then get your free Ethereum in this method. So in a few minutes, you can easily obtain between $10 and $30 worth of Ethereum. You can see that performing this task, you can earn up to $500 if you look at this choice right here. For this kind of money, it is stated that you can translate product specifications. These products can also be translated into other languages. So all we need to do is click on this task, which will redirect you to this page where you can then place your bids. You can also see the description of the project itself if you check right here. Using the Google Translate tool that I demonstrated earlier in this video will make this quite easy for you to do. The most likely thing is that you will only make a few simple corrections after using Google Translate to translate the content. As a result, you can bid as much as you'd like, although I'd recommend between $100 and $600. Additionally, the more quickly you finish a project, the more money you can make by finishing assignments on this website. Therefore, when you enter a date and time, be sure to include anything you can finish right away so that they choose you over the competition. Even though it specifies that the message part is optional, you still want to include something here. Say something along the lines of, I can execute this assignment appropriately, successfully, and with great speed and accuracy. And that's all there is to it. Simply said, using this service to earn free Ethereum is uncomplicated and very easy. This whole process should take you less than 5 minutes. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, check out this video right here.